Hello motorcycle lovers, welcome to OASSD Vehicle. This time we will discuss the 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230 Sherpa S. Just go to the video. Kawasaki KLX 230 Sherpa S 2026 Lightweight Dual Sport Explorer. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230 Sherpa S is a refined, lightweight dual sport motorcycle based on the proven KLX 230 platform. Designed for adventure and exploration, the Sherpa S variant features several upgrades aimed at off-road agility, urban utility, and beginner-friendly versatility. It's built for riders who want a compact and capable trail bike that's equally at home on dirt roads or city streets. Design and ergonomics. The Sherpa S takes the KLX 230's core and gives it a leaner, more practical body. Slimmer side panels and redesigned shrouds to improve clearance in tight trails. A dual-layer headlamp unit with an angular visor gives it a rugged, adventure-ready look. Steel grab handles integrated into the rear subframe for lifting or pulling the bike out of rough terrain. Black exhaust cover and a reduced tail section help reduce weight and provide a minimalist style. Equipped with a rear cargo rack for light luggage or gear, perfect for day trips or small adventures. Engine and performance. 233 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke, SOHC, single-cylinder engine. Fuel-injected, FI, for smooth throttle response and better efficiency. Produces around 17.4 to 17.7 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 19 Nm of torque at 6,400 RPM. Tuned for low to mid-range torque, perfect for off-road crawling, commuting, and trail riding. 5-speed transmission with smooth gearing for beginners and experienced riders alike. Suspension, chassis, and dimensions. Weight, approximately 134 kilograms, 295 pounds, 5 kilograms lighter than standard KLX 230. Seat height, around 830 millimeters, offering easier reach for shorter riders. Ground clearance, 240 mm, slightly reduced for better stability and easier footing. Front suspension, 37 millimeters telescopic fork with 200 mm of travel. Rear suspension, uni-track single shock with 223 mm of travel. Despite being slightly lowered, the Sherpa S remains off-road capable and more approachable. Features and equipment. All LED lighting, including headlight and indicators. Digital LCD dashboard, compact and easy to read. Switchable ABS, rear ABS can be turned off for dirt riding. USB charging port, integrated for device charging on the go. Rear cargo rack, functional for carrying bags or small gear. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230 Sherpa S is a smart evolution of the KLX family, bringing practicality, comfort, and rugged charm into one neat, accessible package. While it won't win any races, it's perfect for exploring trails, back roads, and even daily commuting. A lightweight dual sport that's affordable, approachable, and ready for anything.